Dear student, I am present here at this time. I am Dayanidhan before you. I am going to tell you about the group discussion. So, welcome to my Daya Educator Institute. Thank you, all the best. So, the name of the topic is City Life versus Village Life. So, which is better, city life and village life? According to you, if you are in favor of city life, you will tell the advantage of city life and disadvantage of village life. And if you are in favor of village life, so you will tell the advantage of village life and disadvantage of city life. Firstly, give your brief introduction, then we'll start your group discussion. Firstly, Aradhya, you. What do you think?
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Thank you for giving me, sir, this great opportunity in front of you. My name is Aradhya Shakya from class 9. Today I am here going to present my debate. My topic is city life versus village life, and this topic is very interesting. I would like to request to contribute my debate. So,
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me this great opportunity in front of you. Today I am going to start group discussion. This topic is very interesting. My topic is city life versus village life. I would like to request contribute my group discussion.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity in front of you. My name is Krishka Sakya from class 9. Today I am here going to present my debate. So my topic is city life versus village life. This topic is very interesting. I would like to request contribute in this group discussion.
Thank you, Gumi, for opportunity before you. My name is Firansu Sak.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to interact of GD. This topic is very interesting in this GD. So I am favor of city life.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Today we have given group discussion village life versus city life. This topic is very interesting. I am in the favor of city life.
Good morning to all of you.
good morning.
Thank you for giving me this beautiful opportunity in front of you. So I am a favor and bliss life. I would like to request everyone to contribute in this group discussion. So let's start.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Firstly, my name is Bhanu Yadav. I am pursuing class 12th. This topic is village life versus city life. This topic is very interesting. So I am favor of village life. So that's why I started.
So firstly, I am in favor of my village life. So if I talk about village life, if I talk about pollution, so village has no polluted, but city have very polluted. Like Delhi. Delhi is the very polluted city because Delhi have many factories, and all cities are many factories. Factories give up garbage, smoke, and pollution. So this is the very serious and critical problem of the city's people. So I am in favor of my village life. I think village life is better than the city life.
Okay. Village life better than the city life. What do you think, Mr. Bhanu? What do you think? According to you, tell me the.
Firstly, I am favor of village life. So I am going to tell about the village, disadvantage of city life. The cost of the living is very high in the city. There are many people is not living in here. So the rich of the person is living here. So there is no pure air, no pure water. It's very polluted the city life. So village life is better than the city life.
So India is said to be the land of villagers. Villagers' life is quite peaceful and expect cultivation in village life. So there are no facilities, opportunities to make career. City life is better than the village life.
I am favor in village life. If I talk to natural beauty, there is natural beauty in the village. Very green plants is available in the village, but very few green plants is available in the city. And the city has artificial beauty. So I like the village life. I don't like city life. So village life is better than the city life.
If I talk about environment, so village environment is very peaceful, fresh air, natural beauty, and city environment is very polluted with dust, smoke, and garbage and carbon dioxide gases from factories. So village life is better than the city life.
In my opinion, village city life is better than village life because cities has many personalities and many personality employees and big buildings are seen in city life and are not available of village life. So city life is better than village life.
I am in the favor of city life because in city is easily all facilities like high education and some malls and as extra.
Okay. Thank you. What do you think, Kriska?
If I talk about money, so money is not everything. We cannot buy fresh air, natural beauty and personality. And village life is very peaceful life and helpful life, and city life is very busy life. So I am favor in village life.
Yeah, I am agree with Kriska because if I talk to corruption, there is lot of corruption in the city, but very few corruption is in the village. That can cause problems for us, but we don't have the problem in the village. So village life is better than the city life.
In village we find no crime, but in city there are a lot of criminal activities going on. Most of people who live in city are corrupted, deceiver and selfish. City life is better than the village life.
Okay. City life is better than the village life. What do you think, Banu?
Oh, thank you, sir. I am going to about the bad habits of the youth in cities. Some of the young fall in the smokes and smoking and drinking always. So, but in the city, in the village, are not a youth in fall in smokes and drinking. So I am favor of village life.
Okay. Village life. If I talk about the environment, so what kind of environment available in the village? What do you think, Kumari Aradhya?
So if I talk about environment, so environment is very peaceful and village environment is very beautiful. So but city environment is very dirty because city is very polluted, but village has no polluted. So village environment is very beautiful environment and village have many greenery, but city has not greenery. So
Okay. Village environment is very peaceful and pure. Thank you. And if I talk about the facility, so what kind of facility available in the city or village? What kind of facility?
So if I talk about facilities, so village have also we can fresh air, fresh vegetables and also fresh things, but city have no fresh air, fresh vegetables. This is the very serious and critical problem of the cities people, because city have no fresh air, so cities pupils are ill and cities people are ill, and but cities is not like air and fresh vegetables, fresh food. So I am in favor of my village life. I think village life is better than the city life.
Yeah, I am agree with Aradhya because the farmer lives in the village. They grow crops for us. We can get fresh vegetables, fresh air only in the village, but not in the city. The city has very polluted. So I like the village life. I don't like city life. So village life is better than the city life.
Okay. If I talk about the transport system and if I talk about the traffic system, so what do you think about the traffic, Aradhya?
If I talk about traffic system, so villages have no traffic, but cities have many traffic. Traffic give up the noise and there are lot of traffic far and wide in the available of the city, and traffic give up the noisy. So city pupils are very noisy. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.
According to me, village life is better than the city life because we can get fresh fruits and vegetables, and the city is full chemical. If you want to eat the sweets, you will find many chemicals present in the seed like chocolates. But in the village sweets are made of pure ghee and milk.
I am not satisfied in this statement.
Because city is full chemical, and city sweets is very full chemical, and city sweets made up of chemical, and but in the village sweets are made up of pure ghee and milk. So city life is better than the village life.
Okay. If I talk about the medical facilities, so what kind of medical facility available city or village? Answer is the village. Okay. If I talk about the pollution, so what do you think, Kumari Aradhya?
If I talk about pollution, so villages have no polluted, but cities have many polluted, because many cities are very many factories. Factories give up the garbage, pollution. So this is the very serious and critical problem of the cities people, because pollution is very people's ill this problem. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.
Okay, if I talk about the natural beauty, so where we can find natural beauty? Where we can find natural beauty, city or village? According to you, Aradhya, according to you?
So if I talk about natural beauty, so natural beauty is available only on in the village, because city have artificial beauty, but village have original beauty, because village have many greenery, village full of fill the greenery and plants and trees. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.
Okay, Bhanu, if I talk
According to me, village life is better than city life. Where the education system is development of city, because cities has available in good schools and colleges, and many degree colleges are very good education. So city life is better than village life.
I am disagree with Saurabh Bhaiya, because if I talk about you said that the only good education in the city, but now the generation is also changed, but now the study of the village has also changed, and the government has also had provide one government school in each villages, and where the change in the study. So this is the greenery, is everything is changed. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.
Excellent. If I talk about the traffic, so what do you think, Bhanu?
Thank you very much, sir. So you asked me the question, so I am going to tell about the traffic jam. It's my opinion that the traffic jam seems to destroy inspiration of the destroy. Ambulance and vehicles are sometimes is not here anywhere is in our rush hour. There is very traffics in the cities, but there is no traffics in the cities. So I am going to everywhere any mind and free mind, but in the cities there are many traffics, so I am going to not about anywhere. So that's my opinion. Village life is better than the city life.
यानी कि city has many traffics, city have many traffics, and if I talk about the survival, so if I talk about the survival, what do you think, Kumari Aradhya?
Okay, sir. If I talk about survive, so according to me, poor person and rich person can survive in the village, but poor person cannot survive in the city, because city's ratio is very high, but village ratio is very low. So cities many things very high qualities and high ratio, but village quality is good and village ratio is very low. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.
According to me, village life is better than city life, because cities is work is very slow, and village is work is very high and development in city, because city villages are road very muddy, and cities road are very clarity, and damar roads are available in the city but not available in the village. So city life is better than village life.
If I talk to price of goods are very high in the city. Poor people cannot survive in the city, because their price of city is very high. So village poor people cannot survive in the city, but poor people and rich people or both people can survive in the village, because everything is cheap there. So village life is better than the city life.
According to me, Mahatma Gandhi said that real Indians in a village, it is a country of village. There is available foods in village. City life is better than the village life.
Village life is better than the city life, because most of the people lives in the city. City are corrupted, so there are lot of crimes in the city, and village have no crimes. So I am favor in village life.
Okay, village has no crime. Very good, thank you. What do you think, Kumari Pransi?
I am agree with Kiska, because according to me, village life is better than the city life. There is lot pollution in the city, but very few pollution is available in the village. The pollution free environment is available in the village. Beauty and greenery of the village is permanent. So I like the village life. I don't city life. So village life is better than the city life.
According to me, where the talk the girl, many girls are forced and half yearly in the marriage. Do not provision the education, and where the city, because cities girls are educated and after all job and after all job to marry in the city. So city life is better than village life.
Bhaiya, because if I talk about, you said that the only good education in only city in girls, but now the generation is also changed and many pupils things is also changed. Girl and boy is not difference for present time, because girls is also everything can do it. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life. If I talk about food, so village pupils like more and eating the healthy food, but cities pupils more and more like and eating the junk food. Junk food is not good for health. Junk food is made up of oily things and many people get sick from eating outside. So I am in favor of my village life. According to me, village life is better than the city life.